Sanjeevani World School presents Enrichment Program.
Hello my dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are keeping yourself safe and healthy. You must have seen a video where my friend Yash spoke about the importance of healthy diet. It is very important to keep yourself safe and healthy and to build your immunity system even stronger. You know, Ayurvedic has some ancient secret of immunity building to ensure that our body natural defense system is intact. I'll be giving you some recipes that will help you and your body to be even stronger. Yes my friends, our body is a holy temple. So let's keep it clean and healthy because that's the only permanent place we will ever live in. Please note that the recipes contains ingredients that is easily found in our kitchen. Do not do this alone. Adult supervision is compulsory. And my grade 1 and 2 friends and the pre-primary friends. Even if you do not do this, make sure your parents do it for you. So let's get started. This is a super quick healthy green tea recipe. For this, we will need water, ginger, peppercorns, cinnamon stick, green tea, lemon juice and honey. So let's get started. Is ready. So this is a lovely turmeric ginger tea recipe. For this, we will need water, ginger, jaggery, turmeric, peppercorns, lemon juice and cinnamon stick. Super healthy and super tasty turmeric ginger tea is ready. Do you know the benefits of these two tea? It improves our blood circulation, boosts our immunity, detox our body and relieves stress. So promise me friends, you will drink these tea and defeat the virus together.
Stay tuned for another experiment next Friday.